Right, just quickly before, what do you think of the new car? Well, I say new, now it's been Moteched.
I reckon the first thing is you guys are the best, and the car is now spot on.
Sound. Why did you come to us in the first place?
I came here, one, because of
paid into
Joe actually, through his videos on YouTube.
Yeah.
And Patrick's videos on YouTube.
Nice plug,
yeah,
Mike, I like that.
Social media is what brought me here, and obviously now coming here I wouldn't go anywhere else.
Oh, that's cute. What have we got in today, Michael?
BMW M2, another one. It's like the third one in 2 days, 4 days. Weekend.
This belongs to a chap called Nick, correctly?
Nick Brace, existing customer, good customer, owns a tattoo shop. Put the link below, Patrick.
Yes, yes. Nick Brace, tattoo artist, I think, on Instagram.
That's his personal one, but we'll add his shop onto it as well. But
what's he in for today?
Springs and spacers and carbon kit, the M Perfomance carbon kit. So it'll have the front canards, rear sort of spats, rear diffuser, rear spoiler.
But not the actual M Perfomance one, because we don't sell that.
That's BMW only, so it's our carbon speed copy.
Yeah.
Which we'll do some before and afters, and it will look lovely. But he's an existing customer, had an M140i before, and then decided to spend some more money and buy an M2, so lucky guy.
Nice.
See this video?
Huh?
A message for Nick, if you're seeing this video, it's too quiet. It's too quiet.
It's too quiet.
It's too quiet.
So here at Motech Performance, we are trying to make our working area, so downstairs where all the cars go and where the ramp is, trying to make it like really cool, very clinical looking, so the videos work really well, and we've bought a whole load of new flooring. And the flooring that we first put down obviously fitted really well together, and now it's been used a bit and driven over a couple of times, it's not really lining up. So I put Michael on the job.
Ow!
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
I can't stop moving because it's just like, I can't. Nick, car's all done. BMW M2 now running full carbon speed M Performance style body kit. Front canards, rear, I suppose you can call it side skirt canards, just the little flicks by the rear wheel arch. Ducktail sort of spoiler and the carbon rear diffuser. This is a good looking M2 now. As you can see, stance is perfect, sits perfect. This drop is about 15 mil all the way around. That combined with the 12 mil spacer just give it the real perfect stance. This is how they should look from the factory. This is the third one we've had in 3 days 100%. For this particular setup. Last bit of the modifications for today. Red stop start surround. On the website, this finishes the car off.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
So this is Nick from Nick Brace underscore tattoos or White Heart.
White Heart Tattoo Collective.
Yeah. So you've just seen the car. What are your first thoughts?
It's cleaner than it was.
Yeah, because I cleaned it
It's a lot
for you.
shinier, and
You can thank Maguire's for that stuff.
It looks how I wanted it to look from the day I picked it up.
Perfect. That's absolutely. It's lower, wider, more aggressive with the carbon on the front and the sides.
More expensive.
More expensive for sure. It looks more expensive.
It looks fancier.
And we've got a little gift for you inside.
Oh,
Can you see?
oh, he's done it. Yes. Oh, that's so much cooler.
I know, just that
photos.
little bit. Yeah. More welcome, dude.
Thanks,
Glad you're
man.
happy, yeah.
I like it a lot.
Sweetness.
There you go.
Cheers, dude.